Hello and welcome back to Bonsah.com for another video in our business website building series. We are here to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to build your business website. In our last video, we covered the essential steps of purchasing an affordable web hosting, complete with free domain and installing WordPress. If you missed it, don't worry. I've left the link in the description below so you can catch up anytime. Today, we are delving deeper into the world of WordPress as we explore WordPress admin dashboard. This powerful tool is the heart and soul of your website, and getting familiar with it is an absolute must for every website owner. So buckle up and get ready for a fantastic tour of the WordPress dashboard. By the end of this video, you'll be navigating the WordPress dashboard like a pro. To access your WordPress dashboard, simply type in yourwebsite.com/wp-admin. In our case, to be bonsah.com/wp-admin. Once you hit enter, you will be directed to the WordPress login page. Enter the login details you provided during the WordPress installation process and you gain access to your WordPress dashboard. And welcome to the world of WordPress. This is the control center of your website where you can manage all aspects of your website. The WordPress dashboard includes a left navigation bar. Some hosting companies may include pre-installed plugins which may appear on this navigation menu. Now let's take a closer look at each of these items on the WordPress menu. In addition to the left navigation menu, there's also a top navigation menu that provides quick access to important features and settings. The top navigation menu appears at the top of the screen and contains several useful options. Starting from the left, you'll see the WordPress icon. Hovering over it will display several options, including About WordPress, which provides an overview of the WordPress version you are using. WordPress.org, which takes you to the official WordPress website. Documentation, which provides guides on using WordPress. Support, which takes you to the official WordPress forum for support. And feedback, which directs you to the official WordPress request and feedback forum. Next, the home icon with your website name. Clicking on this will take you to your website's homepage. On the home page, click on this icon and it will bring you back to the WordPress dashboard. Hovering over this icon will reveal the visit site menu, which does the same job. Next is the comments icon. This icon shows the number of comments that your website has received, and clicking on it gives you your quick access to comment section where you can approve, reply or delete comments. Next is the plus icon with a new quick access button that allows you to add new posts, media files, pages or users. At the far right corner is your profile, representing your profile picture and username. Here you can update your profile information or log out of your profile. Depending on the plugins and tools you have installed on your WordPress website, your top navigation menu may contain more options, but these are the basic options that come with WordPress. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Next is the left navigation menu. The left navigation menu is the primary navigation for all the WordPress dashboard items. Starting from the top, the dashboard contains items including the dashboard menu. This is the main page of the WordPress dashboard and provides summary of your website activity. The dashboard is comprised of various elements including welcome. This box provides a link to learn more about the WordPress version you are using, as well as quick link to add new pages and customize your website with features such as logos, fonts, menus, and headers. Site health. This section gives you quick information about your website's performance, including any issues that may need your attention. Quick drafts. This section allows you to quickly draft a post ideas without having to navigate away from the dashboard. WordPress news and events. This section provides you with the latest news and upcoming events related to WordPress. Activity. This section shows you the recent activities on your website, such as newly published posts and comments. You can click on this screen option on your WordPress dashboard and uncheck the screen elements to get an empty and clean dashboard. Personally, I uncheck the screen dashboard Under the dashboard is the menu item update, which gives you a quick overview of all the themes and plugins that need to be updated. Next on the menu is posts. This menu item is where you can create and manage your blog posts. Here you can add new posts, edit existing ones, and manage categories and tags. Next item on the menu is media. This is where you can manage all your website media files such as images, videos, audio files, PDF, Word document, and more. You can upload new files, edit or delete existing ones from the media library. Next is pages. This is where you can manage all your pages on your website. Pages are usually used to create static content that doesn't change very often, such as About Us page or Contact Us page. In the Pages section, you can view all your existing pages, add new pages, edit or delete the existing ones. Comment is next item on the menu. The comment menu item is where you can manage and moderate comments that have been left on your posts. You can approve, delete, or mark comment as a spam in this section. Next item is appearance. This menu allows you to control the looks and feel of your website. It has sub-menu items such as themes. This allows you to install and activate a theme for your website. Technically, every WordPress website needs a theme. Customize. This provides quick customization option for your website's header, background, font, logo, color, site name, menu, widgets, and many more. Widgets. This gives you the ability to add or remove widgets from your website sidebar and footer areas. Menus. This allows you to create and manage your website's navigation menu. The theme file editor allows you to access your website code, including your theme's files. Plugins. The plugins menu allows you to manage all the plugins installed on your website. You can add new plugins, activate, deactivate, and delete plugins from this menu. Additionally, you can also edit the plugin file from plugin file editor. Plugins are essential tools that add extra functionality to your WordPress website. With plugins, you can add features such as social media sharing, contact forms, e-commerce functionality, and many more functionality to your website. Next is users menu. From this menu, you can manage user accounts on your website, including adding new users, editing existing users, and deleting users. You can also control user roles and permissions, such as making someone an administrator or author, or restricting access to certain parts of your website. The tools menu item is where you can access additional tools to help you manage your WordPress website. Some of the tools available include imports. This allows you to import content to your WordPress website. Export. This allows you to export your website's content. The settings menu allows you to configure your website settings, including general, writing, reading, discussion, and media settings. You can configure your website's permalinks, privacy, and more. You can also customize your website title and tagline, set up time zone, and manage your email address and language and site language. The collapse menu collapses the left navigation menu into icons instead of text. And there you have it, all the menus available in WordPress. But before we go, there's one crucial settings we need to address on your WordPress website: changing your website's permalink. A permalink, short for a permanent link, is a unique URL assigned to specific content on your website. It is a web address that remains constant and doesn't change over time, even if the content is updated or moved to a different location within your website. Changing your permalink to SEO-friendly URL is important because it helps improve your website search engine visibility and rankings. Search engines such as Google use URL structure to understand the content on your website, and a clear and descriptive URL can make it easy for them to index and rank your pages. So to change your website's permalink, in the left menu from the dashboard, click on Settings, then Permalinks. By default, day and name is selected. Choose post name option as it is considered to be more SEO friendly and also clearly indicates content of the page. Finally, click on Save Changes. That is it, your permalink structure has been updated. Congratulations, you have just unlocked the true potential of a WordPress website. The power of WordPress admin dashboard at your fingertips. There is no limit to what you can achieve. Next, you look at how to install themes and plugins on your WordPress website. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss a video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.